What is going on, guys? I'm on the Hudson River right now. I'm in a little town called Marlboro. We're gonna go check out the Trap Rock mining ruins. As you can see here, it's an old conveyor belt bridge that will transport all material across, and the ship will be down there. Just throw it onto the ship. This is all abandoned, and there's live tracks running underneath. Maybe something they should know about. It's a nice day out. People are out fishing. The weather was supposed to be thunderstorm, so that never happened. Well, I guess I gotta climb that ladder right there. Walk across. Let's check it out. Pretty cool. Look at that view already. Yeah, it's a conveyor belt I was talking about. As you can see coming down, transporting everything to the Hudson River that came out of this place. Still roll. Wow, I'm impressed. That's pretty much what I'm walking on. Stick to the beams and you're good. Now we got this platform. This is kind of making me nervous. It's only supported by one screw on each side. Shaking it a little bit. Seems pretty good. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. Oh, I think we found an entrance in there. That's cool. Now you can really see how it's overgrown. I'm gonna go rest up in this sketchy hut. That is making me quite nervous. Why are there shells here? Shotgun shells. Maybe deer hunting, hide in this little hut, shoot deer. here, one here. Alright, let me tell you a little bit about the history of this place. So in the quarries back there, they used to mine limestone and dynamite, mostly for building roads. Got abandoned in the 70s. As you can see, the hills around me, it's ready to harvest all the material, all the minerals, the rocks. It's funny too, on Google Earth, I was like wondering, what is this? I thought it was like a chimney that collapsed over, but the conveyor belt runs through it. I guess it will process the rocks a certain way, maybe smash them up, grind them up, something. A lot of it is missing. I'm gonna try to scale down here. Now I'm really curious to see what's in there. Oh yeah. This is so deteriorated. That's it. That's the last one. You know how it is. Always gotta check it out. So this is one of many several locations where they used to mine on the Hudson River. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video right here. Hope you like this little exploration of the trap rock mining ruins. Make sure to subscribe, like, let me know what you think about this place. And I'll catch you on my next adventure. Peace.